Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
Okay, I am fine, thank you. Okay, who is absent today?
Dewinda, ma'am.
Okay, what happened with her? What happened with Dewinda?
She's sick.
She is sick. Okay, I hope she will get well soon, right? Okay, before we start our lesson today, Mbak Nadifa, can you lead your friend to pray, please?
Yes, ma'am. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Amin.
Amin. Okay, thank you very much, Mbak Nadifa. Today I want to tell you about biography text, but before that, I will give you a reminder that we in the last meeting we have learned about recon. Okay, do you still remember what is the function of recon text? Ada yang masih ingat apa itu fungsi recon text?
Menceritakan pengalaman penulis.
What is the tenses that is used in the recon text?
Past tense.
Past tense. Okay. Okay, in this material, I give you the base kompetensi dasar. Sedangkan the aim of the teaching learning process, the aim tujuan pembelajaran yaitu the first one, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks. Kemudian yang keempat, kamu nanti harus mampu membuat teks recon terkait biografi teks ya, secara lisan dan tulis sesuai dengan konteks. Kemudian give you the problem of this Media Indonesia ya, saya punya artikel in Media Indonesia yaitu pahlawan di tengah krisis keteladanan. Oke, Mas Miftah, can you read this article please?
Yes, ma'am. It is stated on mediaindonesia.com that our nation has 179 national heroes. The actual number is more than sufficient as a source of example for the nation children. However, the elite now prefers to show off their lust for power and greed rather than competing to raise the dignity of the nation as shown by the heroes. This nation is currently living in an era of heroic crisis. In fact, the more official heroes should be, the more lessons and exemplary.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, from this article, the problem is our nation, Indonesia, ya, has 179 national heroes. Indonesia punya 179 pahlawan nasional. The problem is, ya, permasalahannya adalah the elite now, penguasa ya, prefers to show off their lust for power. Mereka memperluas kekuasaannya ya, dan memaksakan kehendaknya, and greed, dan mereka semua itu rakus. Mereka lebih suka competing to raise the dignity of the nation. Kurun waktu ini kita itu mengalami era yang namanya krisis kepahlawanan. Nah, from the hero that we have today, dari para reason atau nilai positif apa yang bisa kamu ambil dari pahlawan yang kita punya sekarang ini?
Belajar dengan rajin dan giat.
Okay, as student, you have to study hard. Okay, good. Kenapa, Mbak?
Meningkatkan prestasi.
Meningkatkan prestasi, okay. Get good result in your assignment as a number one. What should we do to have a spirit of heroism?
Menerapkan sikap-sikap pahlawan seperti
For your future. Okay, then the second, why do you want to know about the
Prestasinya, Mam.
prestasinya bagaimana? Maksudnya bagaimana?
Tentang kehidupannya atau latar pendidikannya dan yang lain.
Menurut kalian jenis tipe teks apa?
biography text, Mom.
Iya, oke. Ini yang akan kita pelajari hari ini ya. Biography text. Oke. Number 4. What are generic structure from the text?
Yes, ma'am. Seperti recontext,
Seperti recontext. Apa saja itu, Mbak?
orientation, event, and reorientation.
Mr. Jokowi.
I will give you a video biography of Mr. Jokowi. Watch this video and listen carefully about the biography of Mr. Joko Widodo because on the
President of Indonesia IRH Joko Widodo is the current President of Indonesia. He was born on June 21, 1961 in Surakarta. He is well known with his nickname Jokowi, the acronym from his complete name.
video ini yuk kita berdiskusi. Number 1, who is being talked about in this video? Siapa?
Mr. Joko Widodo, Presiden
Mr.
Indonesia.
Okay, and then why does his person become
Karena
prestasinya
menjadi presiden,
menjadi
menjadi
presiden,
gubernur Jakarta,
became the governor
Menjadi
of
wali
Jakarta
kota.
semua ya. Okay, and then what is his achievement? Nah, ini yang sudah disebutkan tadi oleh teman kalian. Apa itu prestasinya? Became apa tadi? Number 4, what is verb that used mostly? Kata kerja yang digunakan?
Verb 2, simple past tense.
Verb 2, simple past tense. Okay, thank you. Definition of biography.
Saya, Mem.
Iya, silahkan.
A biography or simple bio is a detailed description of a
And the second is, biography text is a detailed description of account of personal life and written by someone else. It is non-fiction. Jadi teks biografi itu apa? Deskripsi tentang kehidupan seseorang dan ditulis oleh orang. What about the social function of biography text? Di sini social functionnya adalah to educate the readers, untuk mendidik pembaca, atau to inform by retelling past event and achievement in a person's life, untuk menginformasikan kejadian di masa lampau dan juga tentang pencapaian dalam hidup seseorang tersebut. Now I want you to discuss about this biography text of Mr. Joko Widodo. I have shared this material LKPD on your Google Classroom ya. Coba nanti kalian cek di Google Classroom kalian. Oke, kalian bisa langsung menuju WA. Have you finished? Coba saya cek di WhatsApp grup kalian ya, apakah sudah ada yang sharing. Oke, kita lanjutkan. Jadi kalian sudah berdiskusi dan coba kita first group. Oke. Based on the text that you have read, now answer the following questions. Number 1. Tulis teks tersebut. Ada yang bisa menjawab di kelompok 1?
Saya, ma'am.
Oke.
To give information of Joko
Widodo. And then the second, what parts of the text tells about the background information of Mr. Yeah. Number 4. Where can you find the writer conclusion or comment
The last paragraph.
in the last paragraph? So in the last paragraph it's called reorientation. And then 5. What tenses that use in the text? Tenses yang digunakan apa ya? Ya, apa?
Past tense.
Past tense.
Si Joko Widodo.
His full name is Mr. Joko
Insinyur Haji Joko Widodo.
Yeah, okay. And then
He was born
he was born
on June 21st,
on June 21st.
19. Siapakah yang diceritakan dan tempat tanggal lahir?
Selanjutnya,
He decided to be a candidate of mayor in Solo.
He always spiritful with his.
good. Jadi he is spiritful with his popular jargon. Popular jargonnya kerja nyata, kerja ya. Oke.
Orang pertama, ma'am.
He became
Ada, ma'am.
the mayor of Surakarta.
He became the mayor of Surakarta. Dikata apa, Mas?
Became
Jokowi finished his primary education at SDN.
Finished, ya, finished. Jokowi finished his primary education at SDN 112. Berisi tentang apa eventnya?
pekerjaan, pendidikan,
Keluarga.
Oke, educational background. Kemudian about his family, about his
Kesuksesan.
job, and about apa Mbak Aisyah?
Kesuksesan.
Kesuksesan, ya. About his achievement. And the reorientation, kita berbicara kalau di reorientation itu penutup, berisi tentang apa?
komentar atau pendapat dari si penulis.
Komentar atau pendapat dari si penulis. One, using words, ya. And then the characteristic of biography text. Tadi disinggung dari awal bahwa teks biografi itu tidak ditulis oleh si penulis sendiri, tapi ditulis oleh siapa?
Orang lain.
Oh, kalian harus mampu make written and spoken about the short biography based on the information.
Saya, ma'am.
Oke, Mas Miftah.
Agnes Monica biography. Agnes Monica Muljoto, or known as Agnes Mo, is a famous singer and artist. She was born in 1st July 1989.
July
1986.
Reflection, ya. What have you learned today? Apa yang kamu pelajari hari ini?
Text biography.
Biography text. Can you mention the characteristic of biography text?
Yes, ma'am. Tidak ditulis oleh si penulis.
The another?
Based on true.
Berdasarkan fakta.
Based on fact, based on truth, berdasarkan fakta, ya, untuk mendidik pembaca. Oke. What about the generic structure from the text? Ada berapa tadi?
Ada 3, ma'am.
3. Pardon, please. Mas Miftah mungkin?
Yes, ma'am. Orientation.
Orientation, event, reorientation. What about the language feature that used in the biography text?
Past tense.
Past
Simple
tense.
past.
Okay, simple past tense. Okay, thank you very much that you meeting, I just want to remind you that I have shared formative test, ya, formative test in tepat waktu, ya. Oke. At the end of the lesson, Mbak Aisyah, can you lead your friend to pray, please?
Yes, ma'am. Untuk mengakhiri pelajaran hari ini, mari kita berdoa. Amin.
Amin. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much, ya.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
you're welcome. Okay, see you on the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.